I'm Todd Hudgel with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is a 2021 Grady-White 271 Canyon. Grady-White, enough said. Okay, so not enough said. The 271 Canyon with 300s is a beast of a boat. I've got to spend a lot of time on this model boat, and it always puts a smile on my face when I run this boat. The power is incredible, and the economy and performance is better with the 300s than it is with 250s. Up front, we have comfortable seating, convertible backrests that not only make you comfortable when you're face forward, turn them, and it gives you a very comfortable place to fight a fish at the front of the boat. This boat has tons of room for the electronics of your choice. It's also equipped with the brand new for 2021 Yamaha full maneuverability system. Joystick docking, of course. Stay point and fish point will hold you on your spot, either while you're waiting for the fuel dock or for once the captain gets to fish. Press the button, holds the boat on your fishing spot. The captain doesn't have to stay behind the wheel all day. Great benefit. It also has built-in autopilot, again, new for 2021. Autopilot is the only thing on the boat that will pay for itself. It'll save you time and fuel. This boat is a fishing machine. Bait station behind the console. You've got a sink, freshwater, live well, tool holder, plenty of rod holders, makes fishing a breeze. At the stern, a second live well, a huge fish box, all insulated and gasketed so they hold ice great. Last but not least, you've got Grady-White's patented, easiest to use seat in the industry. This boat is comfortable and a joy to fish. Come to MarineMax in Panama City Beach, check it out for yourself, or check it out on MarineMax.com.